So how did he sell you to that? He's like, hey, I give you 2 days notice and I have a guy for you. That's basically what he
Well,
told
to be honest, I mean, there was it's not the most attractive opportunity. There was, I had to start out as an intern again,
me.
so they were very much on this firm was very much more about like getting to know you over a little period of time before giving you a full-time offer. Like I
Sure.
didn't have an opportunity to intern with them over a summer or anything, so like it was very hard to gear that up quickly. So I actually worked as an unpaid intern for 30 days. So
So
they
you
said
basically had your bank account was at zero basically by the end of that.
by the end of the 30 days, well, I told them basically this was what I told them. I said, I'm happy because they said you're going to be an intern. I said okay, but what was my hourly salary? And they said zero. And and so I said okay, I can do that for a month. Like after a month, like if you don't like me, I'm gone. I'll go find something else to do, and it won't work. So it's to get in, and I was fine doing that. As I said, I saved up enough just to kind of skate through, but it was
And
close.
did you
So, and I
actually
was recruiting at the same time too. So like I actually had other things going at the same time. So if that had fallen through, there were a couple of things were actually just as interesting, not necessarily banking, but other like real estate investment things. So like
interesting?
which is
So
anyway. So
tell me a little bit about the actual just like 1 month, 30 days thing. Was it long hours? How did you make a good impression? Because obviously they extended you the full-time offer and you ended up there for almost 2 years. So tell me how did you kind of approach those 30 days? Was it just like get in super early, stay super late, ask for work? What did you do? What was the attitude?
it was 100% that. It was a firm where there wasn't a lot of middle. So there wasn't, at that point, there was no other associate. You had a couple like VP directors and then MDs. And I made myself like full frontal to the most senior people and to the people local who were called decision makers. This was a privately owned company.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not like it was widely held with a number of partners. There was one owner, really. And he had bankers that he really liked and had good relationships with, and those people were in his ear, and he became friends with them, I guess, or not friends necessarily, but like you became close and you made yourself aware.